Firas, I am Dracula. I want to suck your dick, I mean your blood. Hey Firas, I want to throw a party, but too many boys. So you need to bring girls. Hey Firas, it's time to go to the beautician.
Why?
Because your brow needs some plucking. Hey Firas, thank you for all the dinners you've been cooking.
It's alright.
It's been delicious. Hey Firas, guess what? I feel a pun coming up. Hey Firas,
Yeah.
did you hear about the girl that lives near the beach?
No.
She sells seashells. Hey Firas, if you don't put your mask on, I'm gonna slap you in the face. Hey yo Firas, better watch your back.
Why?
Cause you done messed up, boy. Hey Firas, out of all of my friends, I like you the most. Hey Firas, have you edited the video for tonight?
No.
Alright, don't worry about it. I'll make sure Sam's on it tonight. Hey Firas, don't ever speak to me again.
Why?
Cause I hate you so much.